blue waters in your big strong hands, crying out like a baby. Once I knew I was asleep, hoping that just maybe it was real.